Okay, let's start. First question. It says which of the following is an equivalent form of the equation of the graph shown above, from which the coordinates of vertex can be identified as a constant in the equation. In quadratic equation, we have three forms. First one is called standard form. For standard form, we have y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Here c is y-intercept. It is a value of y-intercept. So we can say that this form display or show value of y-intercept as a constant. So if it say here y-coordinate answer will be, we can say it is c because 5 is y-intercept. Second one, it is called x-intercept form. It is like this: y is equal to a multiplied by x minus x1 multiplied by x minus x2, like this. When it asks which of the following shows x-intercept, zeros, roots, factors as a constant, coefficient, or coefficient or expression, we have to choose A or B. And when it say vertex, it will be like this: y is equal to a multiplied by x minus h squared plus k. If it asks which of the following form shows or displays vertex or minimum maximum value of f of x, you have to choose D. I am sending this part to you to group. Look that one at home again. Okay, next question is, Nazrin, did you understand why it is D? Because we say vertex.
Yes.
Okay. Next one is third one. For third question, it says we have this form a multiplied by x minus h squared and has one x-intercept at 4 and 0. It means that h is equal to 4 here. So it is y is equal to a multiplied by x minus 4 squared if the y-intercept of the parabola is 9. Y-intercept means that x is equal to 0. Then we can put instead of x 0 and instead of y 9. Then we have to calculate value of a from here. A multiplied by 16 is equal to 9 and a is equal to 9 over 16. So answer is 9 over 16. Did you understand, Murat?
Yes.
Great. You write correct forum, Babach, but you have to enter this one to forum. Enter this one to this forum. And in next lesson, we will look your mistake. Okay? Okay, let's look 5. Narman and Nazrin. For 5, it say if the minimum value of y is negative 12, what's the value of a? Here it say h and k is vertex point. H is x vertex, k is y vertex. From here we can find h like negative b over 2a, or we can use this formula, x1 plus x2 over 2. I hope you know this formula. x1 and x2 are x-intercept. From here x-intercept is 1 plus negative 5 over 2. And it is equal to negative 4 over 2. And it is negative 2. So h is equal to negative 2. If we write instead of x negative 2, we will get k. And k is negative 12. So let's do it. Negative 12 is equal to a multiplied by Negative 2 minus 1, it will be negative 3. Negative 2 plus 5, it will be also negative 3. And from here, a is equal to negative 12 over 9. So it is our answer. Nariman and Nazrin, did you understand? Nariman, I think you write 12 over 9, that's why it was not correct. No, it have to be positive, maybe we make here. Oh, it is positive 3. Okay. You write, Nariman, negative 12 over 9, that's why it wasn't correct. And if you write it 12 over 9, it's not also correct. You have to do elimination here, 4 over 3. And because here it's a minimum value of y is negative 12, a have to be greater than 0. When say minimum, a is greater than 0. When say maximum, a is less than 0. And for a is greater than 0, we call it like upward. We call that one downward. Do you have any question from here? Okay. Next one is 11. For 11, we have to just do factorization. Maybe it is a little bit harder for you. Or you can open this one, then you have to look which one is equal to this expression. Murat, or we can do it with decimals. We can write that one to decimals. Negative 6x squared plus x plus 2. Then let's look a. For a, it will be like this. You can see that they are not same. So it means that it is not our answer. Let's look b. It is negative 1. It is plus 1. Plus 2. It's not also same, so it is not correct. 3 minus 2. Let's look d. 2x plus 1. So it is same. So answer is d. Did you understand, Murat?
Yes.
Use just decimals. It is enough. Next one is 16. For 16 again, we can write it to decimals. 6x squared plus 7x minus 24. It is our answer, 1.5 and that one. So let's write 1.5 minus this expression, negative. It say r is greater than s. R is greater 1, so it is 1.5. That's why I wrote it first. Then it will be like this. It is our answer. For a, it is not equal to that one. It's not correct. For b, it's not also same, so it is not correct. For c, it will be our answer because it is same. If you write 666, it will be same. Murat, did you understand?
Yes.
Also, you can use discriminant method. It's also okay. You can find discriminant with using b squared minus ac. B squared is 49 minus 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by negative 24. Then it is square root of 625 is equal to 25. Then you have to do it like that. R greater 1 is equal to negative b, negative 7 plus 25 over 2a. That one is R. Let's write 1.5 or 3 over 2. And smallest one is minus, so it is negative 8 over 3. You can use both of them will be correct.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, next is 19. For 19, x squared minus kx is equal to 20. Nazrin. X minus k over 2 is equal to 6. Which of the following is possible value of x? Here we can see that we have two equations and two unknown letter, let's say x and k. So it means that we can write to decimals, then we can find, or let's say like this, we can think it as a system of equation. So we only support x and y, so let's make it y. Let's make it y. Then let's look at this intersection point. That one and that one. So x is equal to 10 and 2. K is equal to 8 and negative 8. So answer is 10 and 2. So answer is A. Nazrin, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's look next mistake. Twenty is not correct for Narman and Nazrin for you. It is actually we don't have this type of question in SAT. It is important for understanding how to complete the square. Okay, let's look first this formula. A squared plus 2ab. When we have expression like that, if we add here b squared, it will be equal to a plus b squared. So now let's look at that one. It is x squared. Okay. So from here you have to understand that a is equal to x plus 2a means x multiplied by b. What's the value of b here? We have to think it like that. 2ab is equal to this one. It is negative. So negative. Here we have to think it like this. 2 multiplied by x multiplied by b is equal to this one. K over 3 multiplied by x. So from here we have to understand that b is equal to k over 6. So we have to write here k over 6 plus b squared. B squared will be k over 6 squared. Then because we add here this number, this expression, let's say, we have to add it also for to second side. Again that one. Like this. After that we can complete that one to square. So it is our answer and it is C. Because that one is also k over 3. So answer is C. Nazrin, did you understand? Nariman?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
21. 21 is also important question for understanding how to use discriminant. Here first we have to write it in standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. X squared minus rx minus k squared over 4 is equal to 0. It is like that. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we have to identify what's the value of a, b, c. A is equal to 1 because when there is nothing here, it means that coefficient is equal to 1. B is equal to negative r, and c is equal to negative k squared over 4, like this. Then let's look discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. It's equal to negative r squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by negative k square over 4. Then it will be equal to r square minus 4 will be eliminated, negative will be positive, so it is plus k square. Do you have any question from here, Nazrin? Nazrin, do you have any question?
No.
Okay. Then we have to use that formula. Negative b plus minus, it's also minus square root of d over 2a. B is negative r, it will be like this. Negative r plus minus square root of r square plus k square over 2a. It is 2. Then they write in, we have to choose option D because it's r over 2 plus minus discriminant over 2, so it is D. Answer is D here. Nazir, did you understand? No, Murat. Oh, Murat, it is your mistake. Murat, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. 22. When it say it is correct for every value of x, it means that it's also x, this equation has infinite number of solutions, they are same. You have to just open it, then you have to make them equal to each other. X square minus sx minus 7x plus 7s is equal to x square minus rx plus 14. From here you have to think it like this. X square are same, so we can eliminate it. Then we have to make coefficient of x from each side equal to each other. Negative s minus 7 is equal to negative r. 7s is equal to 14. From second, s is equal to 2. From first one, because s is equal to 2, r will be equal to 9. So answer is 9 and 2, so it is 11. Normal.
Okay.
For the 23, it's also same with that one. We have to just open it. X square minus 3 over 2x plus c is equal to x square minus 2kx plus k square. After that, we can say negative 3 over 2 is equal to negative 2k, and c is equal to k square. Then from here we have to find k. K is equal to 3 over 4. Then it will be equal to square root of 3 over 4. So it is 9 over 16. So answer is 9 over 16. Narman and Nazrin, I hope you understand. That one, again, we have to use discriminant. For discriminant, we have to first identify a. It is p minus 1. We have to identify b. It is negative 2. We have to identify c. It is negative p plus 1. Then we have to write discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, and it is equal to b square is 4. 4 minus 4 multiplied by a and c. We have negative sign here, so let's multiply this negative with that one, so it will be plus. Then we can write it like this. It is equal to 4 plus 4 multiplied by p square minus 1. Then it is equal to 4 plus 4p square minus 4, and it is equal to 4p square. Then what was our general formula? It is like this. X is equal to negative b. Negative b is 2 plus square root of 4p square over 2a. 2a is like that. Here we have a two option. 。 Just wait 1 minute. Okay, here we can write it like this: 2 plus 2p over 2p minus 2, and we can write it like that with minus sign. It will be like this: minus 2p, and again same, so it is equal to negative 1. It is equal to 1 plus p over p minus 1. Murat, did you understand this question?
Yes.
Answer is C. If you think it is harder, write instead of p any number, like write instead of p 5, then write to decimals, then check it with decimals, then you will get answer. .30. For 30 it is harder compared to previous questions. It is related to vertex. For finding slope of this line, we have to know 2 points. One of them is 2, 0, one of them is this one, vertex. We have to find this vertex point. Because x-intercept of this parabola are given, we can write it like that: y is equal to a, x plus 4, x minus 2. Then we have to find a. For finding a, we can use y-intercept. It will be 16 over 3 is equal to a multiplied by 4 and negative 2. Then a is equal to, here we will get negative 8, it will be negative 2 over 3. So it will be negative 2 over 3. Then we have to find this vertex point. Let's find it from its graph. So it is negative 1 and 6. And we have this point 2, 0. Then from here we have to find slope. Slope is equal to 0 minus 6 over 2 minus negative 1. Then it will be equal to negative 2. Answer is, it's a y-intercept. Okay, then let's continue. Y is equal to negative 2x plus b. Then put one of them here. Let's put 2 and 0. Okay, b is equal to 4, but okay, we have 4. I remember answer is D, but maybe it is. Let's check it from here. So the answer is C. Okay, it's 4. Did you understand? Did you understand, Narman and Murat?
Yes. Yes.
We are looking to 32. When you have this word intersect at the point of AB and negative AB, it means that you have to make them equal to each other, then you have to solve it. So think it like it is system of equation. We call it advanced system of equation because we have parabola here. Or write to decimals. Look what you will get. 2 and 10. So answer is 10. C. That one. Okay, write it to decimals again. Don't do it by yourself. If you want, you can do it also by yourself, but decimals is very easy. Okay, it's us x squared, so we have to find 2.82 squared. So it is, just wait, x squared plus, okay, it's 5 squared. 2.23. So answer is 5. If you write all of them, you will get 4.99, something like that, but I don't write all of them. If you want, you can say it is x. Think x squared as a x. Then you will get 5. It's also correct. Okay, this one. It's our x-intercept, vertex point, so it is equal to y is equal to a x minus 3 square plus 0, because y vertex is 0. Then for finding a, we have to find b and c. It's a perimeter of ABCD is equal to 38. We can say that here it is 9, right? 9, 9, AD and BC 9, so it will be like this, 9 plus 9 plus, let's say AB is A plus A is equal to 38, and from here we will find that A is equal to 10 actually. Then we can say point of C is 8 and 10 point. So we have 8 and 10 point. Then write it here, 10 and 8. Then find value of A. It is 25. A will be 10 over 25. It will be 0.4 or 2 over 5. Answer is A. If you have any question, you can ask. Do all of you understand this question?
Yes.
37. You have to open it. 2ax squared minus 5ax plus 2bx minus 5b. It is equal to 12x squared plus kx minus 10. Then you have to make coefficient of x squared equal to each other. 2a is equal to 12. Negative 5a plus 2b is equal to k. Negative 5b is equal to negative 10. From last one, we can say that b is equal to 2. From first one, we can say that a is equal to 6. Then let's do substitution here. Negative 5 multiplied by 6 plus 2 multiplied by 2. It is equal to k. It will be negative 30 plus 4, so negative 26. Answer is A. Do you have any question? Okay. We didn't look this question with you, this part with you, but it is very, very easy. We have this formula from physics. H is equal to negative 1 over 2 gt squared plus v0t plus h0. You can see that it is in this form. Y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Here a is equal to negative 4.9 if it is given with meter per square, meter per second square, and a is equal to negative 16 if it is feet per second square. Do you have any question from here? I hope not. Okay. Generally, college board use negative 16 when you need to do calculation in the question. Here it says it is 9.8, so it will be 4.9, negative 4.9. B is initial speed. It is V0. I never see any question related to initial speed in SAT, so we don't need to know that one. It's just think it additional information. And C, it is equal to H0, it is initial height. Most of the time question is related to initial height. Instead of initial height, we can use different sentences or different expression. like it can ask what's the height of platform. In question, college SAT ask from you, or college board ask something like that. From what height the ball was kicked? So we can say like this: the height ball was kicked. Or we can say, for example, the racket was launched. It's also okay. So it is initial height, it is value of c. For example, y is equal to negative 16 x squared plus 10x minus plus 20. If I ask what's the height of platform, or from what height the ball was kicked, answer will be 20. Initial speed will be 10, and this is acceleration, we don't need that one. We have also here x-intercept. What's the interpretation of x-intercept here? Well, let's say positive x-intercept, because x represents time and time cannot be equal to 0. Value of this one, 1.47. It is the time when the ball hit the ground. The time when the ball hit the ground. Because for x-intercept y is equal to 0, and here y is height, so it is the value of time when height is equal to 0. Do you have any question from here until here? Okay. Okay. For this function, what's the, let's say, from what height the ball was kicked, Nazrin? What's your opinion?
From what height?
Yes, from what height?
80?
Yeah, 80. It's simple like this. Okay. And additionally, we have vertex point. Let's say that it is h and k. Here k is always, it is maximum height. It can be in feet, it can be in meter. And h is the time or value of x, you can think it like this, time in second when the object or ball, let's say ball, reach it is maximum or minimum. Sometimes it can be minimum, by the way. It is maximum height. Okay. For example, for this function, if I ask from you what's the maximum height of this function, it will be here, vertex point, that one, 144. This 2 and 144 point means that ball reached 144 feet after 2 seconds. Or we can say it like this: the ball reached its maximum height of 144 feet after 2 seconds, like this. Do you have any question from here? Okay, then let's look question. I am taking this picture, I will send to group. Okay, I sent. Okay, now let's look this question together. Which of the following equation represent the motion of the object if object was thrown upward from 40 meters above the ground with initial speed of 35? Murat, what's your opinion?
I answered D.
D. 35 is initial speed and 40 is okay. What's your opinion, Narman? Narman, are you here?
B.
B.
Yes.
Okay, for B you can see that yes, answer is not B. 35 part is correct, 40 part is correct, but you have to divide it by 2. So it is not A and B because A have to be equal to negative 4.9. That's why answer is D. Okay, let's look 39. How many seconds will it take the object reach this maximum height? So it means we have to find x vertex. Let's write function to Desmos. Okay, it is our answer. So answer is 3.57. Then write them to Desmos, you will get answer. It will be probably C, 25/7. It's our answer. And for that one, say maximum height, so answer will be 102.5. It's approximately 103, so answer is A. Do you have any question from this test?
No.
Okay. Nazrin, Nariman?
No.
How we found the 16?
Which one? This one?
Yes.
It is not related to this question, but if they give you question like that, just wait. Okay, example. For example, if they give a question like this, feet, you have to write here negative 16. It is rule, you have to memorize it. Because
Okay.
A is equal to negative gravity over 2. Gravity in meter per second, it is 9.8. So if question they use meter here, you have to write negative 4.9. But if question include feet, you have to write instead of G 32, negative 16. When you need to do calculation in the question, it is most of time negative 16. I never see question with negative 4.9 for this question. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Actually, it is from physics. If you don't know this information, you can find A with using another method. It say it reached its maximum height of 258 feet after 4 seconds. You have to write it like this. Then we know that A is gravity, half of gravity. It is negative 16. Then we have to write instead of x5, we will get 242. But in S8 actually you can use this initial height. It is 0 and 2 point. You have to just put 0 and 2 point here, then you will get its answer. Let's do it with table. Actually we don't need to use table, but so you can see that is negative 16. Okay, do you have any question? Okay, I will send this video to you.